When I have extra tomatoes that are about to spoil, I make a homemade marinara sauce. I've gotten questions about how I make this sauce, so today I am sharing my method. This recipe is what I call lazy cooking. I don't use specific measurements. Instead, I keep things simple and add in ingredients to taste. So first I wash the tomatoes, then blend to the consistency I'd like the sauce to be. Then I pour into a pot and turn the burner on low. Today I'm adding in oregano, thyme, black pepper, salt, a bit of sugar, flour to thicken the sauce, and avocado oil. Then I heat the sauce thoroughly and serve with my favorite vegetables or pasta typically. Today I have also added a ground meat to the sauce, but this is entirely optional. If you're not yet subscribed, I'd love to have you join our nutrition fam over here at Nutrition Elevated. And if you have a nutrition question you would like answered, leave it down in the comments below.